Chapter 13, Objective 1. We're going to journalize the payroll entry. In Chapter 12, you had to prepare the payroll register. So this was your job. Now we have to actually journalize it and get it into our books. So we're going to focus on the bottom portion of the payroll register, and we're going to look at the totals and actually journalize those totals. So the first thing we're going to do is let's kind of look at what these totals mean. The 1,000 plus the 50 gives us our gross earnings. For our gross earnings, we're going to consider that to be our salaries expense. So that's what it costs you in salaries. The next numbers, Social Security, Medicare, federal, state, and insurance premium, those are all your deductions. Now, you took those out of your employees' paychecks. You can't keep those. You have to actually pay those to the appropriate government agency. Social Security needs their money, Medicare, federal income tax, state goes to the Wisconsin Department of Revenue, and the insurance company wants their money. So those are considered liabilities. You haven't paid them to the government agencies, you just took them out of your employees' paychecks. So the last one that we have to look at is our net pay. For that number, if you think about all the employees that you paid, they needed a paycheck. So you wrote them a check. Once you write them a check, your cash and bank goes down. So we're going to credit our cash and bank for the $739.67. So how does this work? Journalize, put in the year, February 19th, date of payment, February 19th, and we'll debit our salaries expense for $1,051, and then we did create liabilities, so we're going to have to credit our liability accounts. Social Security tax payable for $44.10, Medicare $15.23, federal income tax $200, state income tax $21, hospital insurance $31, and credit cash and bank. If you ever need to just pause the video, go ahead and do that, and then come back once you're done writing. Cash and bank, we wrote those checks for the net pay amount, $739.67. These are the credit accounts, so we are going to indent those. And this was from payroll register, and the date, if you look up here, the pay period ending 2/12. Payroll register ending 2/12. And then don't forget to indent that. Last thing you want to do is make sure that your one debit does equal all of your credits. And that's how you journalize your payroll entry.